Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. Okay, so today we are just coming to style a wig using bending rollers. So various ways you can use bending rollers to achieve different types of curls for your wig, your long wigs, your short wigs, any of them that you have. So these are the materials we're going to use: mousse, comb, bending rollers. This one is a curl keeper, then some oil for the hair to give it a shine. Okay, so that is what so I'm just applying the curl keeper and then the oil to the hair and then trying to comb through so that it can distribute evenly into the hair strands. And then after that, then I applied my mousse to it. So the mousse is, I'm just combing the mousse through the hair, like how I did the oil, so that it can give it some firmness after the hair is dried. Okay, so this is the first style. So I'm just coiling the hair around the bending rollers. So you coil it around it. Yeah, so you can see what I'm doing. Practically, that's how you're going to do it. Then you apply the mousse at the tip so that it can hold it, tighten it up at the bending rollers. Yeah, or some people call it flexirod. Yeah, so that's the first style. And then the second one is that you're just going to wrap the hair. So you'll be combing whilst wrapping so that it will be flat on the bending roller. So you wrap it around. So the first one is coiling, and that's why you just wrapping the hair around the bending rollers. And all these will come out with different curls, okay, or different waves if you put it that way. So just making sure I secure it with the mousse, wrapping it around, making it as well tighten up and secured, then we are good to go. Okay, yeah, so that's the second style over there. That's the second one. So the first, the second. Okay, so let's go to the third one. So I'm still applying my mousse, comb it through so it can evenly distribute into the hair strands. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right there. Okay, so then this one, still going with my bending rollers. So this one, first of all, I'm coiling the ends or the tip of the hair onto the rollers so that it will secure it. Yeah, then I will now roll everything up. So this one, we are rolling everything up. So the first one we coiled around the bending rollers, the second one we wrapped around the bending rollers. This one we are rolling it up, rolling everything up. Yeah, so that is it. Then you just secure it. It's that easy, right? Very, very easy to do. Very, very easy to do. It's not difficult. So you can do these styles depending on which one. Not you can't use this 3 style for one wig. You can decide to pick one style to do. Another time you pick another one so that you have one wig, but you can wear it in different ways with different waves. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. So these are the style. So at this point, so after 24 hours, we are good to go. We're going to just take everything off to see how our curls or our waves are looking. So this is the first one, the one that we coiled it around the bending rollers. Okay, this is the one we coiled it around the bending rollers, and that's how it is looking. This is the second one that we wrapped the hair around the bending rollers. Second one we wrapped around the bending rollers. Okay, so this is how. So I'm just removing it gently. Yeah, so see how beautiful the curls are looking. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, and then let's bring the third one out to see. So this is the third one that we rolled everything up. Okay, we rolled the hair up with the bending rollers. Okay, so just taking off all the bending rollers and just to show you how the styles are looking. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to comb through all three to show you after combing through all. So this is how they are all looking now. So if you don't want to comb through, you can just use your finger to finger through the hair, and or use a big tooth comb. So this is when I use a big tooth comb to comb through the curls, and this is how they are all looking. So which one are you going for? Which of the curls or which of the roll ups? Are you going for the coiled up, wrap up, or roll up? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share, and like my videos. Thank you. Mwah.